In this section, we're going to be looking at slope-intercept form. So let's start with an example of graphing by using slope and y-intercept. Graph the line with the slope -2 and y-intercept 4. When they say the y-intercept is 4, this means there's going to be a point 0, 4, because at the y-intercept, the x value is going to be 0. And now we know the slope, which is the change in y over the change in x, or the rise over run, and that is also equal to -2 over 1. -2 over 1 is the same thing as -2. Okay, so let's start by graphing the y-intercept. Let's go to 0, 4. So origin and then go 4 up. Now the slope is -2 over 1, so go 2 units down, 1 unit to the right. Now do the same thing again, 2 units down, 1 unit to the right. We have 3 points and we can connect them with a line in order to produce a graph. So as you can see, we were able to create a graph using just the slope and y-intercept. Now we're going to talk about slope-intercept form of a linear equation. If a line has slope m and the y-intercept is b, then the line is described by the equation y equals mx plus b. In this equation, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. X and y would just be the values of x and y. So we're going to look at an example of this, writing linear equations in slope-intercept form. So if we've been given the information that the slope is 1/3 and that the y-intercept equals 6. So let's start by writing the slope-intercept form equation again. So y equals mx plus b. And let's plug in the information we have. So we're going to have y equals m, which is a slope, so 1/3, x, plus b, which is the y-intercept, so 6. And we have now written the equation in slope-intercept form. Now we're going to look at an example of using slope-intercept form to graph. We've been given the equation y equals 4x minus 3. And you can see that it's already written in y equals mx plus b form. So let's identify our variables first. So slope equals 4, which is the same thing as 4 over 1. Now if we look back at the equation, b would be -3, so the y-intercept is -3. Now we can start by plotting this on the graph. Let's start with the y-intercept, and we know that on the y-intercept the x value is going to be 0, so 0, -3. So go to the origin and then go 3 units down. Now because our slope is 4, 1, both positive numbers, we want to go up 4 units and to the right 1. Now we're going to go up 4 units again and to the right 1. Now we can use a straight line to connect our dots. And here we have the graph of the equation y equals 4x minus 3.